Hello everyone, welcome back to the tea. So today we're talking about comedian Corey Halcomb, and he talks about men running away when big women cough.
The level that you will trick at is dependent on the quality of the woman, yes?
That's right. Yeah, I mean, like, that's real. It's like, ladies, who you are is normally the answer to all of your problems.
What do you mean?
Stop acting like you don't know. I hate when girls who, like, weigh 300 pounds are talking like, men be this. I'm like, girl, have you seen you?
Corey,
Men
no.
don't always do you like that because you ain't on your game. If you get on your game, you might be able to be really an attractive woman and ain't got to work.
Listen, you can be big and attractive. Look at Lizzo, who might wear.
You think Lizzo attractive?
Yeah, she's really pretty in the face. She's a pretty woman, though. Seriously.
No, Lizzo coming out the bathroom in the morning coughing is gonna run anybody away. Just
No,
see her
Corey.
come out going.
Corey. No, Corey, I'm not
I
going.
gotta go. I gotta
Wait,
go.
stop. No, Corey, stop.
Big
it.
girls cough, they run men away.
No, Corey,
It ain't their fault. It's just if you big and you cough.
Coronavirus!
Right.
No.
It ain't gotta be the
Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.